Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to unbox my first ever Sparkle & Co subscription box. So finally I caved in. I've been thinking about it for how many months already. So when they announced that it is going to be a mermaid theme bag, I already hit the button and signed up. So as you can see, my left hand is also a mermaid mani theme. I did that the other day. So yeah, I am so excited to open this package, and I got the I Want It All original subscription box. So let's first open the dip powders. So I got 8 dip powders, and one of these is a larger jar which is 1 ounce. So I'm going to show the colors to you. So for this jar, it doesn't come with a swatch stick, but this is the color. It is so pretty. I am really loving the theme of this sub bag, and this is called Mermaid Glitter. I'm not yet sure, but I'll try that soon. So this is all the swatches of the dip powders and glitters, and after that, let's move on to the gel polishes. And here are the gel polishes. I believe these are the small bottles, but the size is pretty okay for me. And here are the shade names, and here are the swatches. Look how pretty are those colors. I am really excited to wear those ones. Alright, moving on to the other items in the bag. It comes with these 3 bottles, a solidify foil gel, and a nail polish. So this is the nail polish. Look at the color. It is called Sea Made. It is super gorgeous. So let's open this bag. It contains some other fun stuff. So it comes with a mermaid tail sticker. I love this one, and some crafts or other cute cutouts. So it also comes with a chrome powder. Look how pretty this is. I really love the color. I am so excited to use that. So it is called Mermaid Chrome. And again, there are some cute cutouts here. I'm not sure if those are stickers, but yeah, you'll also be getting this cute mermaid brush. It is super cute and pretty. It is also nice to use it as a nail prop. So yeah, that's it. That's all that's included in the box. So now I'm going to do a manicure. And here are the 4 colors that I decided to wear, but on the latter part of my mani I decided to change one color of that, and I'll be showing to you later. But my nails are now ready. It is prepped, and I already applied my peel base. So first I'll be applying this color, and this is after I did 3 dips of the color on my thumb. And moving on to the next solid color, I'll be applying this like lavender lilac color on my pinky finger. So again, I did 2 dips. After that, I am now going to ombre the same 2 colors, the turquoise or the mint green and lavender, to my middle finger. So this is after I did the ombre and applied those solid colors. Now I'm going to start with the glitter. Also, I'll start with this color. It's more of a solid color with some violet or lavender foils. This is after I applied 3 dips, and moving on to the glitter, I'll be applying this on my ring finger and do some accent on my pinky. So after you apply the dip powder, don't brush it off. Immediately apply solidify, or this is their activator. So I am just dropping some of that solidify, and I am not brushing the liquid because it will disrupt the glitter. Then after applying solidify, let this dry, and when it is hard already, you can apply your second layer. So I'm just going to let this dry and then do another layer, apply dip base and dip it to the powder. When you are applying this dip base, make sure to wipe the brush so that it won't harden, because the solidify is an activator, so when you don't wipe your brush, it will harden. So after applying dip base, I am dipping it again to the powder, and again, don't brush it off. Immediately apply the solidify or the activator. So when it is now dry, you can now dust off all the excess glitters, and then I am finally done with applying the glitter, and this is how it looks like. So I am just going to add some glitter accent. I'll be applying some dip base and sprinkle some of the glitter, and then apply solidify and dust off. So I'm done applying the colors and the glitter, so I'm just going to apply clear, and I did that off cam. And now I applied activator, and I did my filing and shaping off cam. And now I'm just going to do some simple stamping. I like to stamp this scales design. I am just going to apply Maniology sticky base coat and wait for about 30 seconds before you stamp. And I'm just going to use also this Maniology white stamping polish. So that's it. After I did a simple stamping, I am now going to top coat, and we'll be using this Mani Boss 2-in-1 gel base and top coat. After applying this, I'm going to fully cure it in the lamp for 60 seconds. So for my thumb, I just applied top coat and then flash cure it for 15 seconds, and then I am applying this chrome powder or the Mermaid chrome. I am just going to like ombre it on my thumb. And after applying the chrome, I am now going to add another layer of top coat just to protect that chrome and cure it in the lamp for 60 seconds. So this is after I cured in the lamp, and now I am just going to apply some cuticle oil to bring back the moisture. I'm using this one from Scales of a Mermaid. It is called Sweet Cravings. I love this one, so if you want to purchase it, I have a discount code and I'll be putting the link in the description box below. And here is the finished look. I really love everything. So if you also want to subscribe to Sparkle & Co subscription, use my referral name Jessica Gerlan, and both of us will get a credit. So I'll be putting all the details in the description box. So thank you so much again for watching. Bye guys.